This is our Fiorenza house model in Santras, Verona. So, Fiorenza means blossoming. Ang floor area niya is 117.24 square meter. Then, yung lot area niya ay 120 square meter. So, ayan, kasya dalawang parking. Sasakyan na magkasunod. And this is a single detached house and lot. When we say single detached, ibig sabihin yung house na nakalagay siya sa gitna ng property lot. Kaya meron kang space in all sides. So meron ka ditong maliit na veranda. And this is the sliding door going inside. So ayan, meron ka pang space sa likod. So, pwede mo pang i-extend dito yung kitchen mo. So, 3 bedrooms ito. Then, among the single detached house for sale ni Santras, Verona, ito yung pinakamura. This is 7.4 million. So, this is our living area or sala, living room. Yan, you can put your dining area here and kitchen. So, ito, inclusive na siya sa turnover. Tsaka ito. Yan, pwede mo ilagay dyan ang iyong ref. At meron kang CR doon. So, for 7.4 million, meron tayong dalawang ready for occupancy sa phase 2. Ang maganda ngayon, meron silang ongoing promo na 10% down payment lang. Then, pwede mo nalipatan upon loan take out. So, this is our first room. Ayan. And, our second room. Ito yung common CR natin sa second floor. And meron kang family room sa taas. You can make this in small office area or a game room. Actually, meron pang balcony dito sa labas. Ayan. So, kung gusto mong mag-gardening sa taas, diba? Meron siyang provision for that. And let's go to the master bedroom. Ayan. So, sa master bedroom, may sarili ka ng balcony. So, kung gusto mong natural air and sunlight, ayan, meron kang space for that. And, in case na gusto mo nang makita yung sample documentation dito, just message me. So, this is it. This is our Fiorenza single detached house and lot in Santras, Verona.